Hello, in this tutorial we are going to talk about type of estimates. So there are two types of estimate. One is called as approximate estimate and another is called as detailed estimate. Now approximate estimate is for administrative sanction, okay, and detailed estimate is for technical sanction, okay. So this is very important to know about approximate estimate is for what? Administrative sanction, and detailed estimate is for technical sanction, okay. Now next, what are the approximate estimate? Okay, so there are different kind of approximate estimate. We have plinth area estimate, we have a cubical content estimate, we have typical Bay method estimate. Okay, we have unit rate estimate. So let's look about one by one all of these estimate. Okay, so first one over here is a plinth area estimate. So I have already explained the definition of what is plinth area. Okay, let's suppose this is our room and this is the external boundary of our room or our building. Okay, so this hole will be called as what? Plinth area. Length is 3 meter, breadth is 2 meters, so we will multiply both. 3 multiplied by 2 will give us what? The plinth area as 6 meters square. Okay, now let's suppose in your area plinth area rate is 250 meters square. Okay, you can get this rate from your local contractor or from the government departments. Okay, 250 per meter square. Now the total cost will be equal to the plinth area, that is 6 meter square, multiply by unit rate 250 per meter square. Okay, so it will as $1,500. Okay, so this is how we can calculate a plinth area estimate. Now in next tutorial we'll do the example regarding this also, okay, in which we will add lump sum items as well. Okay, now the next one over here is cubic rate estimate. Now in this estimate we will add height also. Okay, we need to just find out the total volume. Now let's suppose this is our room, okay, and we have these external dimensions as 3 meter by 2 meters. So the total area will be equal to 6 meter square. Okay, our plinth area will be equal to 6 meter square, and the height of this building is 3 meter. Okay, from floor level up till slab. Now the external volume will be equal to 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, as height will give us 18 meter cube. Okay, so this is what cubical rate estimate, and this is total of 18 meter cube. Now let's suppose in your area cubical content rate is 90 per meter cube. So the total cost will be equal to 18. This is the total volume of our building multiplied by 90 per meter cube, as this is the rate of cubical content. Okay, so the total cost incurred will be equal to what? $1,620. So this is how we can just do this estimate. We'll do the example regarding this estimate as well. Now the next one over here is typical Bay method. This method is useful and generally followed in case of building having several bays. Okay, the cost of one classroom, let's suppose, is worked out and then multiplied by number of bays in that particular building. Now let's suppose we have one college building and we have total 10 same classrooms. Okay, so in this regard what we will do, we'll just calculate the estimate for one classroom. Okay, and we'll just multiply it with the total. Let's suppose it is 10. Okay, so we'll just multiply it with 10 to find out the total cost. Okay, so unit cost for one classroom multiplied by total numbers will give us the total cost. So this is what typical Bay method. Now the next and the last one is the unit rate estimate. Okay, so in this type of estimate the unit method estimating consists of choosing a standard unit of accommodation and multiplying an approximate cost per unit. Okay, let's suppose in school building, okay, in school building cost per pupil place, okay, per children. Okay, and in hospital cost per bed place. So these are some approximate estimate: plinth area estimate, cubical content rate estimate. Okay, we have a typical Bay method and unit rate estimate. In next tutorial we will look some of the example regarding these estimate as well. Okay, so I'll see you in the next.